Hello, this is Vik. In this section, we are going to see about search engine optimization in our WordPress website. Here I am going to install a Yoast SEO plugin. With this Yoast SEO plugin, I'll show you all the settings and also how we can optimize our posts and pages for a specific keywords. And I'm going to plugins, add new, Yoast SEO. I'm installing this Yoast SEO plugin. It's installing. After that, I'll activate it. After activating, we'll see a SEO menu in our admin menu. Right after the settings, here is our SEO menu. Here it's showing we have one problem, that is you are blocking access to robots, because in settings I have disabled the option to crawl search engines. That's why it's showing this. It's not a problem. In your website it shouldn't be enabled. And these are the notifications. I'll go into general tab, open the configuration wizard. Takes through the step-by-step installation wizard. You can choose these options, environment, and what is the site, is it a blog or a shop, portfolio. I'm going with the blog. Company or person, it determines what kind of website it is a personal website or a company based website. Here I am choosing a blog, so I'll go with a person. You can enter the name. If you want to go with the company, you can enter your company details, and these are the social profiles. Post visibility, posts should be visible, pages should be visible, and media hidden. Yeah, okay, these are all fine. Multiple authors, do you have multiple authors or not? If you are planning to use multiple authors, choose yes, otherwise choose this no button. And Google authorization code for search console, accessing search console information. You can enter the code. You can click here and get the authentication code. Just enter it here and authenticate. And a separator, what separator you want to use. I'll go with this pipe, vertical pipe, and it's asking to sign up for the newsletter. Okay, these are all the premium plugins. You can go through it. We have successfully installed Yoast SEO and gone through this setup wizard. All the settings are done. I'll click on this close. These are all enabled. Our info, and it's a person. If you want to change, you can change it here. Company name and company logo. Webmaster tools, you can enter the verification codes here for Google and Bing, Yandex, all these search engines. Webmaster verification codes, you can enter it here. Search console, this is a authentication code. We have seen it in a setup wizard, Yoast SEO setup wizard. If you miss that place, you can enter it here, authenticate, and you will see all the search console information here instead of going to Google Webmaster Search Console. And I'll go to posts. Here you can see this SEO score. If I go to our posts, I'll see the score for this post, and based on this score, if we optimize this page, we'll get a good score. Based on that score, our pages will be ranked. We can see all this information here. What are all the problems, what are all the improvements. We can make these improvements and we can fix it. Based on that, our page will be ranked in search engines. It's simple and easy to follow. All these things you will get it here directly, and it's easy to follow. I'll create a new post and we'll see it in next video.